Now that you've handled index errors, we're going to handle a different type of error in this coding exercise. We're going to look at key errors. So in this case, again, when I hit run, my code is going to crash and I get a key error. And the reason is because I am looping through this list of dictionary objects. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a hold of all the likes from each of these Facebook posts. So imagine you have a whole bunch of Facebook posts and you want to know how many likes did you get in total this month. Well, you might get some piece of data that looks a bit like this, a list of dictionaries. And what you're essentially trying to do is you're trying to loop through every post inside that list, and you're trying to get hold of the total likes by adding the existing number to the number of likes for each post. The key error occurs because some of these posts actually have no likes, so that key doesn't actually exist, and that's why we get this error. So I want you to have a look through the instructions and see if you can fix this code so that we no longer have these errors. Essentially, if a post doesn't have any likes, you're going to treat it as 0 likes. Pause the video and complete this challenge. Okay, so the key part that we need to fix is inside here. Now, what we're going to do is inside this for loop, we're going to add a try statement so that this line of code is inside the try block. This is the thing that we're going to try, and this is the particular part that might fail. Now, if it does fail, we can catch it using an except, but we're going to be more specific than just except. We're going to say except in the case of a key error, which is the problem that we're coming up against right now. Basically, if we try to fetch a particular value from this dictionary using a key that doesn't exist, then this is the block that we're going to enter. And so inside this block, we're going to either add 0 to our total likes, or alternatively, an even easier way is we can just say pass. So in the case where we generate a key error, we're just going to skip and then the code is going to continue running, which means it's going to get to the end and it's going to loop back to the next post in our list of posts. So now if I hit run, you can see that I actually get the total number of likes being printed, because it's looping through all the posts in our list, and for the ones which have that key likes, it adds the number from the value of that key to our total number of likes. But if we get a key error, then we simply pass and we don't add any numbers at all. This is how we can solve this particular situation. In this solution, it doesn't matter if you use pass or if you simply said total likes plus equals 0. It doesn't actually matter what you do as long as you handle this particular exception and you do something to address the fact that some of these posts don't have a like key. Have a look through the solution code if you want to on Replit, but otherwise head over to the next lesson and we've got a final coding challenge for you to try out exception handling. I'll see you there.